Our mission in this spreadsheet is to figure out how much we have to spend per cookie. Here's a recipe. My all-time favorite chocolate chip cookies. And so I've taken the ingredients, so you see the tab down here, recipe, and I've gone over to the cost per cookie calculation. And in here we have the ingredients: butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, egg, vanilla extract. Oh, better spell vanilla correctly. Vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking soda, salt, semi-sweet chocolate. And so here we have how many cookies? There's 12 cookies. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the cost of each of these items, and then we'll divide that by 12, and that'll give us the cost per chocolate chip. Your job is to go out and find the cost, and I'll show you what to do for the first one, for butter. Okay, so if you look back, so here's the search I did. So I asked Google, I said price of butter. So here you see it up here, the price of butter, or how much does a pound of butter cost? How much does a stick of butter cost? And when I did that, I went down to the Walmart. Okay, so that's a fairly good site to go to. And here at Walmart, we found various brands. So I took Land O'Lakes. Okay, Kerrygold, much more expensive. You probably wouldn't use Irish butter. So I went to there, and it said, oh great, it is $3.58. $3.58 per pound. Okay. So if we go to our spreadsheet, we could put that information in there, 3.58 per pound. Okay, so we have that info, but that doesn't help us entirely, right? But then we'd say, look here, so I asked how many cups of butter are there in a pound? How many cups of butter are there in a pound? And we see we have this. There are 2 cups of butter in a pound. Okay, so here's something else we know then. 2 cups equals 1 pound. Okay, so there's our bit of information. So $3.58 for a pound, 2 cups equals 1 pound. Okay, so then what's the cost going to be of 0.05 cups? And so we're going to do our calculation in here. So let's do our calculation in column F. Okay, so you see how it gets small as soon as I do the equal sign. So I'm not going to do the equal sign till the end. Okay, but remember, the formula needs to have an equal sign. But so you can see it better here, I'm going to do it this way. So how would we figure it out? Well, it's 358 is 2 cups. So we're going to say 3.58 is 2 cups. So then we're going to divide that by what? So what's 0.5 is how much of 2 cups? Well, 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. 0.5 plus 0.5 is another 1. So we need to divide by 4. In other words, there's 4 portions in this 358. So we'll say 358 divided by 4. That gets us to how much this half a cup is. Okay, so we've got that. Now I'm going to do the equals, which mysteriously makes it smaller. So here's the equal sign, and it makes it smaller. Okay, so that's our cost of butter for this batch of 12. Okay, so what you want to do is figure out for the other ingredients and then calculate. Okay, so for some of you this be harder and it will help you, but I think a lot of you can do the research on the internet to figure this out.